wood support, and it's tied to a string, and on the bottom there's a bob.
One small this is what pendulum.
And then we have a light probe, which is
That very that probe. That one.
and when you keep it near light, which is distort,
Torch is there, then she on. See, there also we saw now when light is there, it's probing like
so when there's light, it sounds like this. When there's no light, it sounds like this. So when the pendulum moves back and forth once, that's one oscillation. So what we're going to do is count 20 oscillations, and each time the bob moves in front of the light probe, it blocks the light and the sound changes. So that's how I'm going to count it.
oh, wow, really nice.
Okay, now I'm going to start doing that. First, I will start a stopwatch.
Unlock lock. Lock window. Reset button. Start button. Please stopwatch.
Now I'm going to start the stopwatch and let go.
Stopwatch is on. That's the stop.
Start button.
So this is kept here. Light is
Session
there.
stop. Stopwatch.
Okay.
Stopwatch running.
1, 2,
The sound is changing.
3,
Probe sound is changing.
4, 5, 6, 7,
This ball is moving.
9. Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Stop
Don't touch it.
moving.
Will stop.
Oh, okay.
It is moving.
10
Like a
oscillations.
swing, no? It is moving like swing to that side to this side.
I'll try that. It has to be 20 oscillations.
Yes, ventilations. Reset button. Stopwatch. Not started. 0 now.
And I'm going to start. And yeah.
Stopwatch running. Pause.
2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Probe is there. Pendulum is there.
14,
Torch is there.
14,
Probe is here.
15,
That is counting that movements of the
17.
oscillation.
18, 19, 20. So the stopwatch is paused and it's 42 seconds.
It will take to oscillate at the 20 like swing, no? They are coming front and the 20 swing means it takes 45 seconds like that. You have
So-
to count that.
Now I'm going to measure the length of the string using a braille scale.
Real scale there now.
So that's a braille scale. It's got marks in centimeters. This is centimeters, and this one is inches. So I'm going to use centimeters, and I'm going to measure the length of the string.
From the string. The string she is measuring. From
So
here
it's
to
30 centimeters.
from there to here. From there to there is
So it's 17 centimeters plus
17,
30, which is 47 centimeters. So if we have 6 different lengths of string and we measure the time 6 different times and you put that on a graph, it would look like this. It's on the bottom.
see they wrote here. Down,
That's
down,
it. Yeah. So over here, so here we have a graph sheet. So for 15 centimeters, it will take 15 seconds.
Like that they will mark
So
it
for
in the
20
pen.
centimeters, it will take 22 seconds, and we have 6 points like that, and it's going in a straight line upward. So that proves and the length is more, it takes more time to finish 20 oscillations.
So proportionate to length.
Yeah.
Directly proportionate. Very good, very good.
Thank you.
Wait,
Thanks,
there's one
thank you.
more.
I got that. This one, yes.
Vernier calipers. Okay, okay.
Thank you.
So can you please show how do you measure, by using vernier calipers? So actually I am shooting your video. Really impressed. Okay, good. May I know your good name, please?
My name is Sagrika.
Agraka. Sagraka. Wow, good.
So this is calipers.
Yes, tactile calipers. Not braille, tactile. Okay.
They do have braille.
Yeah, I know. Yes, yeah. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Braille code.
Like your desktop window.
So here we have, that's a centimeter scale,
Yes.
and here we have a millimeter scale,
Yeah.
which can slide over the centimeter.
Okay, okay. Replica of natural vernier calipers. Okay.
Yeah.
So
It's similar, but this one only measures until 1 millimeter.
until one. Okay.
So here I have a marble.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it between the jaws of
Yes,
the
there's a
calipers.
calipers.
Here, this is the marble.
Yes.
And I'll put it there.
Fix it.
And now I'm going to measure the length.
No.
So on the centimeter scale, it's 1 centimeter, and on the millimeter scale, it's 8 millimeters.